Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a note that you can add to your Word document. So the first step is to go into Insert, Shapes, and choose the text box. Change it to fixed position so it's easier to move. Shape Outline, we're going to take out the outline. Shape Fill, we're going to choose a color. In this case, I'm just going to choose a blue. Next step, go into Format Shape. You can also right click and choose Format Shape down here. We're going to have the first icon selected, solid fill, and we're going to set it to 50 for transparency. Now I'm going to type a note. You can type any note that you want. Correct sentence 1. So I'm just going to choose a font for this. I'm going to go into Home, and then I'm going to select here under the Styles. I'm going to select this one. You can change the size of this sticky note, and you can place it anywhere you want like that. You can copy these. Just go into shape options here. It might be the easiest way. Make one yellow. Shape options, solid, color. This one will be salmon. You have to go into more colors. So I choose one here. I want like a purple, light purple. And if you don't want the font a certain color, just change it. And as you can see, you can overlap them if need be. And then just say add title. Like so. Thanks for watching.